In this episode, we're going to be talking about how you can take free content and turn that into high-paying clients. This is a step-by-step guide. In the course of this video, I'm going to start out by showing you some secret gold mines. Now, not like a gold mine that you have to be really lucky to find, like there's a lucky winner, but I'm going to show you a way where you can kind of create your own gold mine, or I like to use the word low-hanging fruit. I'm going to show you how you can find low-hanging fruit and really get lots of results in terms of lead generation from YouTube. I produce a lot of YouTube channels. You'll see a lot of the thumbnails back there on my wall of thumbnails. I'm going to take you behind the scenes with a couple of these channels and show you how we built the channels and how we get the results that we do. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to do the same thing in your business. So let's dive right in. So two of the channels that I chose to show you are Nicolene Peck, Teaching Self-Government. This is a parenting channel, and one that's probably on the clear opposite side of the spectrum, Stan the Annuity Man. But what's similar about both of these channels is we followed the identical strategy. Okay, that's the strategy that I'm going to teach you in this episode. So using these two channels as examples, we take free content. So Stan here has made some episodes teaching principles and answering questions about annuities. So people who've never heard of Stan before, they go to Google or YouTube and they ask a question about an annuity. Stan's video pops up, they watch it, they learn, they get the answer to their question, they see Stan as the expert. And then they give Stan a call on the phone and say, "Hey Stan, will you help me with my annuities?" And he says, "Sure." Or with Nicolene Peck, people go to Google or YouTube and they type in questions about parenting. Nicolene's video pops up in front of them and they say, "Oh, that's what I was searching for." So they watch it, they learn from it, they appreciate their new parenting knowledge, and they find out, oh, Nicolene has more videos. Oh, Nicolene has courses. Oh, Nicolene has 3-day parenting events that she puts on. So they hire Nicolene so that she can help them become better parents. So both of these channels are like secret gold mines. By looking at the channel, you wouldn't know that there's a very, very successful business behind this channel, or with Stan's channel. Like, it's got 14.6 thousand subscribers. You would have no idea that this was an 8-figure revenue generating channel. The secret gold mine that I'm talking about is questions. You could do research to find out what questions your target audience is asking. It's like a way of getting into their head, right? You just do some keyword research, find the questions, and you're like, I know who this person is. I know what they're thinking. I know what they need. I'm going to answer their question. And so you make a video to get right in front of them. Let me give you another example. So let's say the question is how to run for a U.S. House of Representatives. We've got Jay Townsend ranking at the top here. Think about what this does for Jay. They might have never heard of Jay before. In fact, they probably hadn't, but they're thinking of running for the House of Representatives, right? They're getting into politics. So how do I do this? How do I run? They type it in. They see Jay's video right at the top here. They click on it. They learn from him and they reach out to him. And he has a business that will help them learn how to run their campaign and get coaching on how to win an election. Now, I want you to have clarity on how cool this opportunity is. And I want to compare it to the way that we used to do SEO, search engine optimization for websites back in the day. By the way, that doesn't work anymore. But let me just show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, so this is one example of what search engine optimization used to look like, where it says money site in the middle. That would be your website, the website where you're going to sell products or somehow make money. But look at all these other things. There's link wills, there's different secondary websites and tertiary sites that all link to each other to try and create this inflated authority. And then you send that authority through link juice back to the main website that Google would then see them like, oh, this website's an authority. Let's put it up to the top. That's what search engine optimization was. Let me show you what search engine optimization looks like today. Right there, a YouTube video. You can film a YouTube video, and if you follow the research process ahead of time before you film, and then you just post that video to YouTube, you have done SEO. So I'm going to give you a little bit more detail on that. But just because this is crazy to me, let me show you a couple more examples of the previous form of SEO. Just these are real charts that people have used to market their SEO services. And again, all you have to do is create a YouTube video. So I want to be more specific. Let's say you are really good at productivity and you've built a business to help people improve their productivity. So you've got two options. You can work on your website and do all this SEO to make sure that when people type in improve productivity, your website is at the top, which that doesn't work anymore. Google isn't a website search engine anymore, so you can't really do that. But that's what you used to do, versus you just do keyword research to find questions like how to improve productivity on a construction site. So the idea on the left, improve productivity, would be that centerpiece with all this garbage and spam around it. Or you just make a YouTube video with the title, how to improve productivity on a construction site. Now you can't do this SEO after you film. You can't make a video on improving productivity, even if it's amazing. Even if you have Will Smith acting in this thing and you've got Steven Spielberg that's directed it, and so it's this amazing improving productivity video, and then you do keyword research and you find the title, how to improve productivity on a construction site. You couldn't title your video with that because Will Smith didn't say anything about construction. It wouldn't work. You have to do the keyword research first. You know the title, you know your content, and then you film your video. That's how you do SEO. Now, if you've learned any marketing, there's great people like Russell Brunson that are really smart, but they create these big elaborate funnels. Well, they can be pretty complicated, and the more steps you have, the more turns and twists you have, the more bottlenecks there are, and the more problems that you can have. So my recommendation is to start simple. Most of the funnels, even when we optimize them and we tweak them, they remain really simple. So here's an example. It starts with a search bar on the left. That means that somebody goes to Google or YouTube and they're searching for something. They're asking a question. So you make a video like we talked about to answer their question. At the end of the video, you offer them a free gift. You might say, hey, now that you understand how to improve productivity on a construction site, I've got the resources that I talked about, or I've got this PDF checklist that will help you do the same thing every time. Or I've got a mini course that you can have all your employees take. Whatever that free gift is, you say, now that you've learned A, B, and C, I want to give you this free gift. Go to my website and get that for free. So they leave YouTube, they go to your website, they enter their contact information, and they get their free gift. That's the funnel, right? So from search to watch a video, they become a lead, and now you can reach out to them and have a conversation. Now, the products and services that you can sell to people in this way are wide ranging. You can sell a $10 program, you can sell a $15,000 program, and you will sell them regularly using this strategy. The reason that you can sell such high-priced items through people this way is because they don't feel like they're being sold to. You didn't push an ad in front of them, but they sought you out, and this whole sales process wasn't pushy or anything. You were answering their question. They appreciated it, and there was a relationship that was built there. You don't even push your company or any of your programs or anything on YouTube. They don't know about any of those things, but when they go to your website to get your free gift, they expect to see your business logo there. They expect to see promo videos. They might navigate around your website. They want to see what you have to offer. They're searching, so they don't feel pressured. They don't feel like they're being sold to, but they're searching for what you have to offer. And when you have a conversation with them, they're like, I know you. I've been watching some of your videos. Is it really you? Are you the person in the videos? And if you're on Zoom, obviously they can see you. But these people are ready to purchase something. They're hoping that you have a solution for them, so you can talk to them about what their needs are, what their goals are. And if you have a program that's a fit for them, a program that will help them accomplish their goals, when you present that to them, they will typically buy it from you. If you've been intrigued by the strategy I've shared in this video, I've created another episode that goes into more depth. I call it my YouTube SEO full course. I'll link to that video right here. I really hope that you can implement this strategy, get your videos ranking at the top of YouTube, and start to generate leads for your business. So go watch that video next. I'll see you there.